Welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today, we will make Goya Tamago bitter melon with eggs. Using homegrown vegetables. Peel the garlic and finely chop it. Garlic contains allicin, which aids in the absorption of vitamin B1 known for its excellent fatigue recovery properties and potential for promoting nourishment. Remove the seeds from the chili pepper and finely chop it. Shima togarashi Okinawan chili pepper is an essential seasoning in Okinawan cuisine. Known for its spicy and fruity flavor. Cut the bitter melon, removing the inner seeds, into thin slices. Bitter melon is a vegetable characterized by its bitter taste and unique shape. It is rich in nutrients such as vitamins and minerals, making it an effective vegetable for preventing summer fatigue. It is a staple ingredient in Okinawan cuisine and commonly consumed during the summer. It is mainly used in stir-fries, tempura, and pickles. Heat oil and stir-fry the garlic and chili pepper. Here we have Okinawa-produced chicken tenderloin. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. It is low in fat, high in protein, and pairs perfectly with bitter melon. Cut the tomato and stir-fry all the ingredients together. Finally, season with salt and pepper, and transfer to a plate. Mix 2 eggs, sugar, white soy sauce, and salt to make scrambled egg. Lastly, place it on top of the bitter melon, and it's ready to serve.